Going to Ohio Christian University is exciting. But first, you need to know how to log into your student account. This guide will show you the simple steps. Step 1. Open the website. 1. Turn on your computer or use your phone. 2. Open the internet and type https://www.ohiochristian.edu/ in the address bar. 3. Press Enter. Now, you're on the university's website. Step 2. Find the login button. Look at the top right corner of the page. You will see a button that says Login. Click on it. Step 3. Enter your username and password. Now, you'll see some empty boxes. In the first box, type your username. This is your special name that the university gave you. In the second box, type your password. This is like a secret code only you know. Step 4. Click Login. Under the boxes, you'll see a button that says Login. Click on it. Wait for a moment, and you will be inside your student account. Troubleshooting. If you forget your password, don't worry. There is a button that says Forgot Password. Click on it, and the university will help you make a new one. If something is not working, ask your teacher or someone at the university for help. They want to make sure you can get in. Remember, your education is very important. Learning how to log in is just the start. Now, you can focus on your studies and doing well at Ohio Christian University. Disclaimer: this guide is here to help you and is not connected with Ohio Christian University. Always keep your login details safe and don't share them with anyone.